Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to report video on YouTube. In order to report video on YouTube, it's a very simple process. Now if you think that the particular content or the video is actually harmful, so to report a video on YouTube, you need to first of all open up your YouTube application and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service as well. So after you'll need to find the particular video. So for example, I'm just gonna go with this particular video. Once you find this particular video, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, and as soon as you click on it, you'll be able to see a drop down menu. So from the list, go ahead and tap the report button. Now you'll need to give a reason for reporting this particular content, so just go ahead and select any of these and tap the next button. So once again, you need to be specific, so for that, go ahead and tap the next option, and it's going to direct you to the support center page. Here you'll be able to find all of the information, and if you're sure about it, then tap the yes button. And if you're sure about it, then you can see that the feedback, you can see that your review has been posted, or that you've successfully reposted a video on YouTube, and if multiple users repost this particular video, then it will be taken down. So that's how you can report video on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.